Okay, welcome to Virtual Digital's platform for learning how to make money online. Here I share my ideas, my experience, tips and tricks on how to build a stable online business. So without wasting time, um, I would love you to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification button so that whenever I upload a new and valuable content, valuable video, YouTube will notify you. Actually, subscription is free. You're not paying a time for this. Subscription is free. You do well to subscribe to my channel for valuable updates. Also, let this video share to help my channel's algorithm. Thank you so much. So today I know that I've not been uploading for some time now. That was because I had challenges, and also I was researching and getting, refining my strategies. Don't worry, the last part of this video is going to be something very, very interesting. Okay, this particular video is not much anyway. I'll be talking about how you can make money right there from your space, from your room. You don't need to go out to search for job. You don't need to go out to walk up and down to do a job that needs your presence outside. Just stay indoors and making money. Is that cool? Let's get right in. Number one, you can sell digital goods just with the help of your phone. You can get create digital product. For example, creating an ebook, creating a course. It will be a video course. Create an online tool software, software that your benefits stuff, so on. Then after creating this product, you can now sell it online. Like if you want a video, customized video on this, please drop a comment, drop your request in the comments section. Secondly, it has to do with the skill. Um, this I'm talking about specifically on video editing. You have to learn a skill that take like 3 to 4 months. Perfect your um, your skill, get mastery of video editing. For you now reach out to clients, patronize you, and get clients. You can get clients um freelance platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, like freelancer. All of them, you can see services, even if it is competitive. But you, if you are consistent online, I can also give you the, the, the procedure how to get clients. Okay? Then thirdly is e-commerce. You can set up an e-commerce shop as a digital shop where you have product display on your website. This one you actually need a website to do this. Okay. Um, Free websites will not be alright because we don't trust website that will stay your website. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Right? Where you can even run affiliate on your e-commerce shop. You don't need to you don't need to create all those products. Just get the pictures, okay, the images of those products, and then display them on your website, on your web page. Okay, maybe your own page or just be the specific page for it. And also, another trick there is that when you display images, when you display images, it must be quality, and you must search for a hot selling digital product. I know I'm talking about e-commerce now. You must search for a hot selling digital product. That is what is something that is moving the market. Okay? Then you display the pictures there. Okay? For example, people sell wall sockets, but there is a particular wall socket that came across online that is CCTV element. Okay, and it came with it has actually is uh, CCTV. That's camera on it, but it really was okay. So that means it could record voice messages, voice chat, voice communication, and and cover everything that's going on in the room in a specific space. So that's what I'm talking about. That is a hot um product. So you must sell hot selling product. Okay, then lastly, this is the best for me. Is the best because um I know for you it is something that's risky, but that's what you've been hearing about trading. For me, it's the best because I have refined my strategy. This is the best and the easiest and the fastest. I can tell you that forex is especially buying and selling or trading gold. A gold is very volatile, but I told you that I can trade gold for you. If you want a specific um one-on-one assistance, I'm not going to teach you how to trade. I don't teach how to trade. The only thing I will do for you is to trade for you. Okay, I'm talking about 2:10 risk reward ratio. Can you beat that? Yeah, ask for traders, those people that trade active forex, they can tell that forex that gold is very, very volatile. That means if you are trading Euro USD and you lose $1 and you lose yes and you had a little loss of $1 compared to gold, that is about $4 to $5 that you're losing. And if you're making profit of $1 compared to gold, you have $4 to $5. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. So that means gold is very, very volatile. If you want to join my community of investors, okay, I will leave my number on the screen and contact me on WhatsApp. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, be my subscriber, please. Um, then turn on your bell notification button so that whenever I drop new update, new valuable content, YouTube will give you a notification that a new video is online. Okay, please, you're not paying for this. Like I said earlier, you're not paying for subscription. Okay, then also like this video, share it. When you like it, when you subscribe, you like, you share. You're encouraging me to bring up more uploads, more valuable content. Okay, thank you. See you in my next upload.